Hi everyone, and welcome back to your Phonics for Adult Lesson, Level 3, Lesson 2. Wow, I hope you enjoyed the very first lesson that we had on the long A, because today is the long A vowel again, but with different letters to change the sounds. Are you ready to get started? Today we have 4 different sound sets. Before it was sound pairs, but now we're doing sound sets. So I have my paper here, and our very first one is AM. Now, AM sounds like am. But now with AME, it's going to be aim, right? Just like the arrow. Aim. A. See? AM. Am. Here. A. Long A. A-E-M. Aim. Aim. A-M-E sounds like aim. Aim. Let's practice with 2 words. Your first word is g. Aim. Game. This is a game. Game. A game. This is a game. Great. Number 2. This is a name. Aim. Name. This is my name. My name. Name. Yeah. This is my name. Hi. All right. Let's practice our second set of long A letters. I'll think of a better name for this, but AT sounds like at. ATE sounds like eight. AT sounds like at. ATE sounds like eight. Yeah, let's practice this. The very first one, this is a date. A date. This is a date. A date. This is today's date. Today's date. This is the date. Today. Date. Great. And the second picture, this is a gate. A gate. This is a gate. A gate. A gate. This is a gate. Yeah. See, these are easier because the long A, or the long vowel, sounds like the letter. Long A sounds like A. Let's keep practicing. Our third is AN. AN sounds like an. ANE sounds like ain. See my face? Ain. A-N-E, sounds like ain. Ain. Now, let's practice. This is a k, 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 cane, cane. This is a cane, a cane, a cane. This is a cane. Great. And the next one, oh, it's pretty. This is a, it's the hair, right? The hair. This is a me, mane, mane. This is a horse's mane, a mane. The hair on the horse is a mane. Pretty. This is a mane. Awesome job. And our fourth sound set. Yeah, I like that better. Sound set. Sounds good. Our fourth sound set. AS. Ass. 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 Right? Ass. A-S-E sounds like ace. Ace. A. Right. A-S-E sounds like ace. Ace. Let's practice. This is a K. Case. This is a case. A case. Like a box, a container. But this is a case. Case. A case. Awesome. And the last one. Here we go. This is a vase. This is a vase. A vase. This, it's pretty, is a vase. A vase. Vase. A vase. Yeah. This is a vase. Now, let's practice our sounds again and the words we learned today. First, we had am, 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 A-M-E, aim, aim, aim. We learned game, game, and name, name, my name. Next, we learned A-T, at, 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 A-T-E, eight, eight. Our first word was date, date, date. And the second one was gate, gate. Great. Then we learned A-N, an, an. A-N-E, ain, ain. We learned cane, cane, and main, main. Then we learned A-T, at, and, or not it. Look at the paper. A-S, ass, ass, ass. A-S-E sounds like ace, ace, ace. I have to look at the paper. Our first one was case, case. And the second one was vase, vase. The long vowels are much easier than the short vowels because, one, it's just the letter and the sound matches the letter. A, E, E, U. It's a hint for the next one. So let's say goodbye and I'll see you next time.